Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami dragon that I designed myself. For most people, I think it will be at intermediate level. The only material you need is a square piece of paper. In this video I'm using red paper to make it easier to see, and I recommend using paper that is the same color on both sides. Our first step is to fold the paper in half, vertically and horizontally. Then flip it over and fold it in half along both diagonals. Flip it over again and close the paper by pushing all four sides to the center. This gives us a triangular base. Now, fold the first flap on the right to the middle. Unfold it. Open the flap. And flatten this layer using the creases we just made. Now turn the paper over and repeat the same step on the other side. But this time, instead of folding first, you can just open it directly and flatten it on top of the other layer. In the next step, we are going to create a reference mark at the bottom. So first we need to fold over these inner layers. Then bring the corner up to the small mark. Make another small crease. And now we have our guideline. Fold the top corner down to the mark we just made. Then open the paper. Pay close attention. Starting on the right side, we're going to create two new diagonals that connect these points. So, first bring the top side down and make a crease that connects the top corner with the side. Then repeat the same on the other side by folding the paper up. And with those two marks done, close the paper and fold this new flap up. Let's repeat the same on the other side. So just create the two diagonals. Then close the paper and fold it up. Once done, rotate the paper to this position, flip it over, and fold it in half. The next step will be repeated 4 times. Let's start on the right. Just open the paper here. Then bring the edge down. Do the same with this extra paper here. And then close it as before. That's it. Let's repeat the same on the left. To make it easier, we can move the middle flap to the other side. And as before, just bring the edge down. This is the result. Now let's go to the other side and repeat with the other two parts. Once done, this is the result. Next, let's fold this first corner to the side. Flip it over. And fold the other side too. With that done, open the paper. And in the center layer, fold a small part on each lower side, connecting these points. Then fold the large top triangle down. You need to fold at the same height as the small folds we made earlier. Put the paper back in this position and fold it in half. Now let's start creating the legs. First, fold the small front flap, bringing one edge to the other. Then move the middle layer to the side and fold the back flap, connecting it to the top corner. Now unfold it, sharpen the crease by bringing the paper up, and flatten the paper to the side. And fold it back to the right using the existing crease. Finally, tuck the top layer inside the small space in the next layer. Bring the middle layer back. And now we have the beginning of the first two legs. Repeat on the other side. And this is the result. In the top center, there is a little extra paper. We can fold it inside. It is optional, but I think it looks better folded. Do the same on the other side. Now let's create the detail of the neck. To do this, reverse fold the paper. And then fold part of the first layer inside. You can fold in this existing diagonal crease. Repeat on the other side using the first fold as a guide. Reversing the paper again, we will create the first detail of the head. For a more realistic head, open this part. Then close it by bringing the middle crease up. And then close the remaining paper using the same crease. Here you can fold everything, but I like to leave a little extra paper in each side. This extra paper can be closed to the sides. And then fold it back. It's an optional detail, but it gives the model more style. Fold a bit of the front corner inside. The result is already very good, but we can still add some optional details. First, we can open the layers of the head a little, so it looks even more realistic. Then we can reverse fold the corners of the feet. We can curve the tips of the feet. We can also divide the tail into a few sections. And we can also fold the wings, dividing it into 3 or 4 sections. If you want, you can add even more details, but for me, this is enough. Our origami dragon is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are able to make it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time!